Hi there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a flip box on your GoHighLevel pages. Okay, so in this flip box we have two different versions. The version 1, which we call crazy image. Into this flip box we have an image as a first element, and then a headline and subject line in the front side. And when you hover on it, then it will open the back side. It will actually flip to the back side, and it shows you the headline, subheadline, and paragraph, as well as a call to action button. When you click on this button, it will take you to the DGL link. Okay, so let me hover to the second one, the same thing. The third one, the same style. Okay, and then the second version, we called it a background image. Okay, and here we have a background image as well as a headline and subheadline, okay, as a content in the front side of the flip box. And when we hover on it, it will open with a content, headline, subheadline, as well as the paragraph and button. And at the same time it has a background image. Okay, so this is the same for this one as well as this one. You can change the background image as well as the front background image. Okay, so it's up to you, and you can also use your own customized link, okay, as a call to action button. Okay, so let me show you how you can do this on your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so I already opened the GoHighLevel page, and here I have added three different column, as well as each of the column we have a custom code snippet for the flip box. Okay, so let me do from scratch so that you can see. It can be any number of column, like if you want to use a flip box for 2 column a row, or 3 column, whatever, 3 column, whatever. Okay, it's up to you. It's actually based on your use case and the design you actually want to make on your page. Okay, so let me take a 3 column row, and then I will copy the code snippet. Okay, so you will get this code snippet into the members area of GHL code snippet. It's our premium code snippet. Okay, so you need to upgrade your account. Okay, you need to buy GHL code snippet monthly or yearly or lifetime license. Okay, so let me show you the code snippet like this. Okay, so here I will add the option to put the code here. Okay, this one, and then I will open the code editor and then put the code. Okay, that's it. And you also need to customize your code, like you need to put your headline for the front side as well as the subheadline and the image. Okay, so you can use any image link, but if you are using GoHighLevel, then you have the option to add image. Let me show you how. Let's say I want to add an image, so I will upload the image into my GoHighLevel account. Okay, just select the image and then go to the image option, click here this button, and then it will open the images you already uploaded, and then you can upload a new image. And after that, once you upload it, okay, let's say I already uploaded my image. Okay, let's say for this one, then right click after you upload the image, right click on the image and then click get link. Okay, so after that just close this one, and you don't need this one also. Go back to your code editor and replace this image, okay, with your image. Okay, like this. Okay, so once you put the image link here, it will be the front image of your crazy image version of Flipbox, and then put your content headline. Okay, so let's say this is my headline, and this is subheadline. Okay, so I can also edit it, and then for the back part of the Flipbox, you can put your content here. Okay, so I'm not going to put anything because I'm just going to use this as demonstration purpose. Okay, so and then here you can put your paragraph text. Okay, it can be any text you want to put here. And then for the call to action button, you can let's say if you don't need the call to action button, then completely remove this button from here like this. Okay, but if you want to put the call to action button, then just keep everything same, and then change the call to action text as well as your link. Okay, so in this case I'm using GHLSaasKits.com as my hyperlink for this call to action, and read more as a text of the call to action. Okay, after that, just copy this, enter code, and go back to your page editor, then open the code option, okay, and then replace it. Okay, that's it. And then one more thing you need to do, you will also get the CSS code, okay, that you actually use to change the like, let me show you. Like for this one, you can see here, this is a background. Okay? It's a purple background here, but you can change your background color as your need. Okay, and also for the button, you can change the button background color as well as the hover color. Okay, for that you need to change the CSS. It's a very small and little bit CSS that you need to change, like here. Okay, so you can see here flipbox back. Okay, for the back you can change this as your background color, and this is your font color. Okay, so in this example you can see here we have this background color and white font color. Okay, so here let me put this white. So this is the white font, and then you can change the back button color as well as the button font color. Okay, for this example I'm using this as my color code, and this is for my font color code. And also you need to change the button hover background color as well as your button hover text color. Okay, so if you don't need this, then you can also delete this part from here. Okay, it's up to you. And that's it. Okay, so you don't need to do anything else. And also inside the tracking code, you will also get another code snippet into the members area. You just need to copy that code from the members area of GHL Code Snippet library, and then open this tracking code and put that code into the header. Okay, so you don't need to make any other changes there. That's why I'm not showing you here. Okay, so that's it. Let me save. And if everything goes well, then I will have another working flipbox here. Okay, so by default we already have 3, and this is the 4th flipbox. Okay, so let me preview this page. Okay, so here is it. You can see here I have my flipbox added here. Okay, you can see. So this way you actually can add as many flipbox as you need on your page. Okay, so in this example we have 4 flipbox for the crazy image and 3 flipbox for the background image, and the implementation for the background image and also the crazy image is exactly same. Okay, so all users need to copy the code snippet from the GHL Code Snippet library, then just adjust your code, change the image or the text, the call to action button, link, okay, that you want to use as a call to action, and then paste it into your GoHighLevel page editor. Okay, that's it, and then you are done. Okay, so if you think this is helpful, then just feel free to subscribe our YouTube channel, as well as you can share with your friend if they need this. Okay, and then also you can join our GHL SaasKits community, which is completely free. Okay, and you will get the free access of our basic version of the GHL Code Snippet. But if you want to use our premium code snippet, then you need to upgrade your account. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.